Here's a nice formation of some mineral crystal. Goes here and it continues down here. So it goes through this whole stone maybe. And then I saw something other stuff here. I'm just a little bit worried that there will be some wasp nests here. So I'm trying to move calmly because I don't want to interfere with them. You see down there? It's a black, very shimmering stone here. Or port. Let's see. I don't know how much you can see in the sun, but it's shimmering, and we have some rust here also on this stone here. So here is at least some type of metal. Interesting. I'll put it there. So we had this here and we have that here also. Maybe this can be a place to find some other interesting stuff. I have a lot of water and coffee with me, but I left my backpack at another place. So I'm just a newbie at this, but I'm trying to learn, and I'm slowly learning a little bit more about geology and nature. This area should be very interesting. First I saw this stone. It's a little bit darker than the other ones here. Maybe I can break this apart a little bit. See what we have here. Oh my god. Maybe I have something interesting. I must take a break and continue soon again. I've been walking for maybe 1 hour now without a break. I'll be back.